A lot of Mercedes SLK R170 or R171 went to overseas, and now issues are coming up with leaking hydraulic cylinders at the front.
Das Ding nach hinten schlagen, so das sieht man jetzt auch sehr gut. Ja? Ja.
At the front of the roof, mostly black cars, because there is the heating higher and the gaskets sooner collapse. And so I try to support you at overseas in English too, for to maintain and repair your car, your Mercedes SLK, if the hydraulic cylinder starts leaking and soaking the inner cover of the roof and losing the hydraulic fluid. This is a special tool to get out
Geh mal.
the circlip, and this is an animation to show you how you should modify a screwdriver broad of 2 mm to get out the circlip. The drill machine only is
Gruß an Herrn Moreno. Okay.
for holding, for handling.
Oh, raus. Ein Traum.
But the highlight of this video is the modified piston rod with its seals, modified by RSC company in Germany. Till now it was not so easy to get, here's the old design, to get this sealing into the piston. It needed a lot of experience and luck also, and that's why I made a video to show you there is an easier way now to assembling the piston rod back into the cylinder. Also, it's easy because RSC offers a overhauling system. You don't have to disconnect the hoses, and it's cheaper than a new cylinder with hoses. This is a typical motion to get the piston with its sealing into the cylinder. Don't do anything more than brake cleaner to blow out possible debris. And now look at that, and maybe you remind my sooner videos how difficult it was to get this sealing inside, to get it back to its place. That's very easy. And one thing I forgot before, when you put out a circlip, you have to hammer the outer, this one, a bit inside to get the circlip loosened in a better way. And before you now going to manipulate further to bring the circlip back in position, do any way to protect the piston rod by scratches from the tool, like I did here. You can use maybe tape too or carton, but protect the piston rod. Sorry for my English, I'm from Germany, but I want to support you with these informations, making life easier maybe for a lot of Mercedes owners keeping their car on the road.
Den Ring hier an, immer hier so drüber und dann fahren wir den Kolben schon mal soweit es geht, dass wir noch hantieren können, ein, um eben die Kolbenstange nicht zu verletzen. Das ist wichtig. Etwas schwierige Angelegenheit. Oh. Aber Leute, hier haben wir es offensichtlich auch in der Beziehung den Stein der Weißen gefunden. Also mit Druck der Zange ist das Ding jetzt schon relativ... So Freunde, nach dem üblichen Theater ist jetzt auch der Ring drin. Und der Rest ist, da zieht ihr noch mal kräftig dran, um zu prüfen, ob er auch wirklich eingerastet ist. Ja, und der Rest ist dann Routine.
And now some bonus stuff. Look at your hydraulic pump, and if the reservoir, the plastic part, is in this position, it's wrong. This arrow should be up, exactly up. And please recognize there is a red fluid in, I suppose ATF hydraulic, and this is not the correct stuff for this hydraulic system. I link the correct hydraulic fluid. One more indicator is, as I shown, this cable here is for unlinking the trunk cover to move it in maintenance position for easier working, and it's coming out from the wrong position. And here I show you once again the right oil. It's a ZHM. It's a 10 oil. For example, engine oil is 5W30. The transmission oil is maybe 95, and this is a very thin oil. Okay, so check out your reservoir if probably in your one is too the wrong stuff. It's easy to loosen it. Just a second, I'm gonna show you where to do. And the best way to loosen it, if it's full, park the car at a hill, nose upside, so it wouldn't flow too much of the fluid into your car. So I hope this video was also, my English is not the best, helpful for you, and this is for the end the setup of how manipulating a screwdriver, the best way to get out a circuit clip without drilling, as I showed in my recent videos. This is the better way. Also, you don't produce debris. You have to clean for a good function of your repair.